Exporting data out of Hitlist is dead simple. So here's a very short hit list that if you're looking at one of the previous videos, you would have seen us generate. And we may want to just export this in its entirety. So we can do this in one simple way. Up here in your export menu here, we've got our export options as well as an option to print. So let's start from top to bottom. If we print, this is going to print not the whole screen, but your data table here that's showing all of your article hit list ideas with some things hidden away, of course. So there you go. You could just print that off, pass that around to the team if you wanted. Print it to PDF as well if that's what you prefer. Otherwise, you can download it as a CSV or an Excel file. So really the difference here is one of them is formatted, the other one is not. So there are some writing services, writing farms, and systems that use CSV imports. So this is a good way to just get everything dumped out as a CSV. We can also do it as an Excel file, so I'll just hit that. Give it a moment and you'll see it's downloaded here. Now hopefully you'll be able to see this. I'll just open it up, drag it over here, give it a moment. There we go, hopefully you can see that. Okay, so there's just your basic hit list. So it's got the title, URL, keywords you were targeting, any notes you may have added, plus your volumes and your stats, and a unique ID which can be used in your systems or as reference to us if you want us to look at something. Now you can also export these out in filtered view, so you can see we've exported all things, but perhaps we just want things that have why you should. So I'll enter that into the filter box here. And you can see we've just got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those. We can also export those also. So it's exporting the view that you're looking at. We'll just open here. I probably should close a lot of tabs before I record these, but here is what it looks like. Any moment. Where are we? There you go. So you can see we've got just those 5 that we chose. CSV is not much to look at, but it's exactly the same. You've also got some integration exports here. So these are some writing services that we have used in the past and currently use as well. We are not affiliated with these at all, but they just require CSV experts in certain formats. So either in a certain order or with certain columns. So these are just very much like a CSV export, but with them in the specific format that those need. So for example, content at scale, and we do name these with a prefix so you can see which one's which. All they require is title, keywords, and any notes that you have here. So notes are like instructions, I guess, for what they need. So they've got a very simple requirement. Now, of course, these are CSVs, so they're not going to be formatted because CSVs cannot be formatted. Whereas something like, let's say we write blog posts, we have a look at that. And again, we're just exporting these 5 that we have in our filtered view. Okay, it needs some different things. So article titles, but it also likes to know what word count. So we've defaulted these at 2000, and there are some future features coming where we can configure this at a much more granular level. Same with subheadings, so you can enter those there. And again, that's coming to the interface as well, and your keywords to target. So you can see each of these writing services have different formats. Now we've got some other integrations coming later where we'll be able to export this straight into Trello. That's already in development at the moment, and a few others. Plus, we're taking your feedback. So that's it. That's how easy it is to export or print these out for you. So see you in the next video.